In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a component in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow designer or new to the platform, knowing how to effectively manage your components is essential for a streamlined workflow. Today, we'll break down the simple process of removing a component, ensuring that your project remains organized and clutter-free. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Webflow project. Open your Webflow dashboard and select the specific project you want to work on. This step ensures you're making changes in the correct environment. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the project's interface if you're not already acquainted with it. It's important to be sure you're in the right place before proceeding to make any changes. Once you've accessed the correct project, locate the component you intend to delete. This might be a section, div block, or any element configured as a reusable component in your design canvas. It's helpful to be clear and certain about the component you're aiming to remove because once it's gone, it's not easily retrievable unless you've backed it up or can use the undo feature. Give yourself a moment to assess the layout and ensure the component is indeed the one you wish to delete. Next, position your cursor over the selected component. You'll need to right-click on it to bring up a contextual menu. This menu provides several options that can be applied to the component. When you hover over the component, pay attention to the visual cues Webflow provides to ensure that the right component is selected. Mistakes can happen, so double-check that you're right-clicking on your intended target. Now in the contextual menu that appears, look for the Delete option. Clicking Delete will remove the component from your project. This action is decisive and cannot be undone with mere wishing, so make sure you're ready to delete this component. However, if you change your mind later, remember that Webflow has an undo feature. Simply press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on your keyboard to reverse the last action, provided it is within the undo limit. To summarize, you first access your project, select the component, right-click to open the Options menu, and then click Delete to remove the component from your Webflow project. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid data loss. By following these steps, you can easily manage your components and keep your project clean and efficient. By mastering these simple steps, you enhance your efficiency in Webflow and maintain a cleaner project workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Webflow.